good engine. Power is good. I'm up to 65, rotate. Just ease it back. That's a good pitch attitude. It's a really easy, real stable airplane to fly. I mean, there's really nothing to it. Yeah, I'm surprised. I guess based on the sophistication and speed and performance of the airplane, I somehow was expecting it to be more challenging.
A little bit more squirrely.
It was, yeah. But gosh, you know, with I mean, great instrument platform, speeds and everything. So as long as somebody's got good training to be able to use it all, it's an incredibly capable airplane. Yeah.